Tired of sightseeing in places like Tokyo and Kyoto? Did you know that Japan has vast wetlands to rival those of Trondheim and Pitlands in the UK? That place is Oze. Japan's hidden gem, Oze, is actually accessible by train and bus from the famous Asakusa district. In this video, Adam, on his first visit to Japan, and his friend Kouta will show you how to get there. Now, let's set off a journey into Japan's great outdoors. The journey begins at Tobu Asakusa Station, boarding the limited express Revaty Aizu. The destination, Oze, is about 6 hours away by train and bus. From Asakusa, you can also take over trains such as the Revaty Kegon or the Spicia X to reach Nikko, home to the World Heritage Site Nikko Toshogu Shrine. The limited express Revaty Aizu tickets can be reserved and purchased online. At Asakusa Station ticket machines, you can buy both the limited express ticket and regular train ticket. For more details, please visit the Tobu railway website. As the two enjoy their breakfast, they gaze out the window to find vast natural landscapes unfolding before them. The train offers free Wi-Fi with power outlets at every seat. Each seat also has a fold-down table, making it convenient for using a laptop or smartphone. After about 3 hours, they arrive at Aizu-Tajima Station. The hustle and bustle of the city is now behind them and the journey is truly underway. Next, they transfer to an Aizu bus bound for Hinoemata Village and Oze. The bus winds its way to the mountains, passing streams and small villages along the way.
It's like a whole different world from Tokyo. It feels amazing to be this close to nature.
On the way to the destination, the Oze-Miike parking area, you'll find the Oze and Hinoemata Mountain Travel Information Center. As the gateway to Oze, it provides the latest information on Oze and Hinoemata Village. There are brochures available and staff who can communicate in basic English. In addition, souvenir shops and restaurants are located nearby, so be sure to stop by and make some memories of your trip. Bus arrived at the gateway to Oze National Park, the Oze-Miike parking area.
Oh, made it here, and wow, it's even more beautiful than I imagined.
Let's go that lodge.
The Miike Lodge is a Hinoemata village-run mountain hut, which also houses the Yamanoeki Miike shop. After checking the timetable for the shuttle bus to Numayama Pass, which departs from here, the two waited for the bus on the terrace while enjoying coffee.
Alright, let's get on the bus.
The shuttle bus runs between Miike and Numayama Pass every 30 to 40 minutes. The fare is 800 yen one way for adults and 400 yen for children. They are finally heading out for their Oze-numa trekking adventure.
At last, the trailhead. It wasn't a short trip to get here. But I naturally feel I'm so glad we came.
I feel like everything up to this point been part of the journey too.